Welcome to Shailesh Forging Works. We are one of the most acclaimed leading manufacturers of steel forging. Our factory outlet is spread across 85,000 square meters. We are in a perfect location. A total stock of 700 to 800 ton of various material grades. We procure them in size from 150 mm to 600 mm diameter. We have the most advanced laboratory system. Our facility have 18 bandsaw of various sizes. We operate with the most advanced technology. We have 2 oil furnaces with capacity of 12 ton each and can heat up to 1300 degrees Celsius. This process provides a 5-ton belt drop hammer and 2 hydraulic press with capacity of 1500 ton and 3000 ton respectively. Our facility has 3 ring rolling machines, ranging from 300 mm to 3000 mm in outer diameter, which provides any kind of profile rolling. We use fully automated control systems. We have a 6.5-ton Zygmunt Hutta which provides a daily production of 20 to 25 tons. Our heat treatment facility includes an electric furnace with a capacity of 10 tons. Hardening, tempering and annealing process are provided with water quenching facility. We have 20 VTL and CNC machines with CNC control, which gives proof machining and finishing facilities ranging from 300 mm to 3000 mm. Our inspection process includes quality check and dimension reports, which includes hardness testing, ultrasonic testing, tensile and yield reports. We wrap our finished goods in bubble roll and they are then packed in wooden box in plywood, and delivered to our customers with logistic facilities with best time. We also develop products like plug valve body, casing hanger components, pellet ring dies. We at Shailesh Forging strive to provide exceptional quality to our customers.